Black seed oil is also known as black cumin seed oil. It is derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant. It is rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. 5 potential benefits of black seed oil include: 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Black seed oil may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to relieve pain and discomfort associated with conditions such as arthritis and eczema. 2. Antioxidant properties. The oil contains high levels of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, leading to chronic diseases and aging. 3. Immune-boosting properties. Black seed oil may help to boost the immune system, making it less susceptible to infections. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that black seed oil may have anti-cancer properties, as it has been found to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. 5. Cardiovascular benefits. Black seed oil may help to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. It's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits of black seed oil and to understand how it works in the body. How much black seed oil should we consume daily? The recommended daily dosage of black seed oil can vary depending on the specific product and the reason for use. It is always recommended to follow the dosage instructions on the product label or as advised by a healthcare professional. In general, a typical daily dose of black seed oil is 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 milliliters, taken with food. It can be consumed by mixing it with a spoon of honey or yogurt, or by adding it to salad dressing, smoothies, or other food items. It is important to note that black seed oil should be used with caution by people taking blood-thinning medications, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also avoid black seed oil. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, including black seed oil, especially if you are taking any medications or have a pre-existing medical condition. What vitamins and minerals are in black seed oil? Black seed oil is a rich source of various vitamins and minerals. Some of the key nutrients found in the oil include essential fatty acids. Black seed oil is particularly high in essential fatty acids, including linoleic acid, omega-6, and linolenic acid, omega-3. These fatty acids are important for maintaining healthy skin, heart, and brain function. Vitamin E. Black seed oil is a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A. The oil contains small amounts of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Minerals. Black seed oil contains a variety of minerals, including iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium. Phytosterols. The oil contains phytosterols, which are plant compounds with cholesterol-lowering properties. Thymoquinone. It is a compound that has been found to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. It's important to note that the exact nutritional content of black seed oil can vary depending on the quality of the seeds used and the extraction process. As you can see, these little seeds pack a big punch, and I am personally a big fan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to get more useful information.